Hello everyone. Imagine flying high above a huge, beautiful park right in the middle of it. There's this giant globe called the Unisphere, shining under the sun. This place is Flushing Meadow Corona Park in Queens, New York. It's not just any park, it was once a place filled with ash. But now, it's a vibrant spot where people come to play, relax, and celebrate culture. It's famous because it hosted two big events called World's Fairs, one in 1939 and another in 1964. Let's travel back in time. The park was chosen for the 1939 World's Fair, a huge event that showed off cool invention and idea for the future. Then in 1964 it did it again, with a fair that talked about peace through understanding. The Unisphere, a huge metal globe, was built to show how we are all connected around the world. These fairs left us with some neat buildings like the New York State Pavilion and Queens Museum, which you can still see today. Now, the park is like a treasure chest for Queens. It has the USTA Billie King National Tennis Center where they play the US Open, a big tennis event. There's also the Queen's Botanical Garden, a peaceful place full of plants and flowers. Every year, there's a cool event called the Queen's Night Market that brings together food, art, and performance from different cultures. It shows how diverse and special our community is. When you ask people in the park what it means to them, they share a story of picnics, soccer games, and concerts. It's a green oasis in the middle of the city, where you can take a break from the hustle and bustle. It's a place for everyone to enjoy, whether you are running, playing, or just sitting and reading a book. Of course, keeping the park nice and useful for everyone isn't easy. It's important to take care of the old buildings and make sure the park meets the needs of our growing community. We all dream of a park that continue to be a friendly, welcoming place for generations to come. Flushing Meadows Corona Park has come a long way from being a place nobody wanted to be loved spot in Queens. It connects us to our past, makes our present more joyful, and helps us dream about a better future together. Thank you, Flushing Meadows Corona Park, for being our home away from home.